Careful.
For me, it's very early in the morning, and then you got to cut it off.
Yeah, got to cut it off. How's the weather?
Well, it looks okay this week. We do have rain around probably the next couple days, and then we'll be right back to that other pattern that we get in the summer, which is the hotter and drier pattern where our temperatures are going back to middle 90s. So that is ahead later this week, but we still have storms around tomorrow and Tuesday. And the big threat, of course, or the big hazard that we'd watch out for would be a few heavy downpours, maybe with some street flooding here and there. And then the drier and hotter pattern takes over toward the end of the week, really Thursday and beyond. Right now, such a kind of hazy look across the skyline. Our temperature at 83 feels like 92. We do have 70s, though, north of the lake. In fact, Bay St. Louis saying 75, and Mandeville 76 after we got rain rolling across St. Tammany Parish and into Hancock County this evening. Wake up forecast for North Shore and south of the lake spots will be in the upper 70s. We do expect a bit of spotty rain overnight. We might have a stray shower or storm early tomorrow, but I think probably most spots okay and fairly quiet for the early commute. There is some rain out to the north of us, not so much over land areas, although a couple of coastal showers and storms just south of Plaquemines. But we do have some rain right around Jackson, Mississippi, and I was showing you earlier this model doing a good job, our high resolution model, of picking up on the rain, but has it weakening as it moves toward us. So again, not out of the question overnight to have a spotty shower or storm, but it looks like that area of rain will really more so get going early tomorrow and be heavier off to the east and northeast of us. Looking quickly at our rainfall totals from today, and then we'll get back into Precision Cast in a second. We did see close to an inch of rain in some spots, especially around the lakefront, parts of New Orleans, downtown over 1/10 of an inch of rain, and other spots like Reserve about 0.13 inches. Tomorrow, we'll see a similar pattern with scattered showers and storms, but we might see a few heavy. That one on Saturday where we got the street flooding in Lakeview and Gentilly in some spots, that had rain totals close to 3+ inches of rain for a few locations. So we might see a couple more of those heavier downpours. Highs tomorrow in the lower 90s. In fact, this weekend, both days, we hit 94 at the airport, plus we had the storm. So kind of one of those very typical hot and stormy setups in the summertime. Tomorrow's forecast, you can see our rain chance going up at the middle of the day, but I wanted to show you in our Precision Cast, a couple of models have been hinting at rain maybe a little later in the day, more like late afternoon or evening. This is going forward in time to 10 a.m. Now we're in the afternoon. Again, might have some showers and storms, but this model doesn't have very much at 1 p.m. Here we are at 5, so late commute might have some showers and storms around. You saw a heavy downpour there, maybe around 6, 7 p.m., and then this is 9 p.m. And now we'll move into Tuesday. Here's the morning, couple of coastal showers or storms, and then here we are through the day, 3 p.m., scattered rain in the area for sure into Mississippi and Louisiana, and then this is 10 p.m. Now, part of the reason we have this setup for these heavier downpours is this front moving toward us, but kind of stationary, actually stalling out here to the north, but we've seen moisture increase south of the front. Then, though, it starts to pull away by Tuesday and Wednesday, and our pattern will change and get a little bit drier after that. But just to show you, Monday and then into Tuesday, the green is showing a marginal risk of a few heavy downpours, maybe causing a bit of street flooding. So again, just watch out for that and be prepared. Rain totals up to about maybe 1 inch or a little higher, and very quickly on that spot way out in the Atlantic, it has a officially 30% chance of development, but it's expected to drift northward into the cooler waters in the extreme North Atlantic. So probably not going to affect land. Might develop, might not this week, but either way, it would likely weaken over those cooler waters by a week from now.